going on, guys? Today we're going to be checking out the Beats Solo3 Wireless Headphones. Very factory fresh smell inside the box. But here we got the instruction manual. If we open this up, I think there. So inside we got the Beats Solo3 Wireless. Gives you the instructions on how to charge, how to use wired playback and the wired controls, and how to connect it up to your device. This is the first product Apple has released with their new pairing system, which will allow you to seamlessly connect any pair of headphones to your iPhone or iPad. Inside the instruction manual, we got a nice sticker, great for water bottles. And it now has Apple's 1-year limited warranty for accessories on the Beats. So now moving on to the Beats, this comes with a nice carabiner that says Beats on it, which you can connect to the top of the Beats case, so you can carry them around on a backpack or whatever you have. When we open it up, got the Beats. You can fold these in and out to keep it for nice storage without having to have the bulky headphone size. And this is the black gloss color, very shiny. Got the micro USB and aux port on here for wired playback. Now to pair these headphones, you're just going to want to hold down on the power button, let it light up, and then wait until it starts flashing like that. And voila! This is Apple's new chip embedded into the headphones magic, and it will automatically pull up the Beats Solo3 onto your iPad without having to go into settings or Bluetooth. You just click connect, and done. It will also show the exact battery percentage right here, and you will also see it right in the battery indicator. When it comes to sound, the Beats Solo3 is amazing. Let me go play some music, and you can hear it right now. This is only at half volume, and you can control the volume by clicking up or down on this side of the Beats. And to pause and play, you click right here. In the case, you got a little pouch for the power cord and the audio in cord for devices that do not have Bluetooth. And you can store the cord in here. That's what I have done right now. And it's very convenient, so you don't have to look around for the cord, or you don't break the cord by sitting on it. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the Beats Solo3 Wireless. Also, remember to stay tuned, because next week I'm going to be releasing a video about this desk and how I set it up.